So hello friends, welcome back to the channel Final Cut Academy. Have you wondered how some videos achieved very beautiful zoom effects? So not to worry, in today's video I will show you how to get that zoom effect in just 2 minutes using Final Cut Pro. So let's get started. So at first we will open Final Cut Pro app. Here is an ongoing project of mine. This video clip is 1 minute 21 seconds long. So we'll add this zoom effect from this 10 second to this 19 second. Okay. So to do that, first we'll split this video clip from this 10 second. We'll press Command B until this let's say 20 second. Okay, Command B. Now the clip has been formed. Now to get the zoom effect, first select this video clip and then go over here to the scale and stretch it. Okay. And now the most important thing is we need to click to this box and then drag this clip to over here. Okay. Means we need to align this line with this line. Okay, this point must be aligned with this line. This is the trick. Now let's play this video. That's it. So in this way you will get this zoom effect very quickly. If you really like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.